Okay. Now, let's have this next one. For this, let's have this example. Ready? Find the first term if the last term of an 8-term sequence is 35. Go. If you are finished, kindly chat me privately your answer. Again, if you are finished, kindly chat me your answer privately. When you chat it to me privately, I'm only the one who can see your answer. It's just a number. So, when you're finished finding the first term, chat me privately your answer. Find the first term if the last term of an 8-term sequence is 35. Go.
Sir, wala po pong common difference.
Hawakin pala. Sorry. Thank you for that. May excite mo. With D is equal to 5. Go. Sorry. Guwapo lang. Chat me your answer privately. I'm waiting for your answers. Very good. Correct, Gabriel. I will feedback to you immediately if you got the correct answer or you need to try again. Gabriel got it. The rest, chat me your answers privately. Still waiting for the rest. Linnea, try again.
Sir, na ba yung chat ko?
Ano, Linnea? Meg got it. Try again, Linnea.
Sir,
It's okay to correct. It's okay to commit mistakes, huh? Charles got it. Because from your mistakes, you learn better. Wow, si
sir.
Neizea, kompleto pa solution. Very good. That's correct, Neizea. Neizea, sorry. Linnea finally got it.
Sir,
Yes. Yeah,
hindi niyo po na-receive yung message ko po.
Nini magsalita.
Marian po.
Saan? Wala ka pang sinend sa akin. Try again. Kayla got it. Send it to me privately. Put Aliwame Asen. Eddie VL got it.
Nasa request po yung akin.
Messenger. Hindi sa Messenger. Dito sa chat box lang natin. Or it's a different concern. Let me check. Sige nga. Sinend mo pala sa akin sa messenger. Sa chat box na lang, ne. But got it correct. Marian got it. Chat box na lang tayo para isang platform lang ginagamit natin. Okay? Yan, may tambakan ko. Kent got it. Alexa got it. John D got it. Abigail, try again. Marian got it. Okay, let's wait for the rest. Okay, let me see the other answers. Arabella got it. Sophia got it. Carl got it. Elmo, try again. Chanel Sumobra, try again. Chelsea Sumobra. Okay. The rest, I'm waiting for the rest. Ready? Okay. So, everybody, let's listen. Isaiah, sumobra. Ay, kumulang ng konti sa'yo. Okay, so everybody attention here now. Let's discuss so that everybody can relate to our discussion. Find the first term. So we are looking for a sub 1. If the last term of an 8th term, so therefore the last term is a sub 8 because it's an 8th term sequence and that's your n is 35. So a sub 8 is 35 and the common difference is 5. Okay, take note of this. We are looking for the a sub 1. A sub 8 is 35, n equals 8, d is equal to 5. Okay, I'll just write them here because I will erase the given later on. A sub 1 is missing, n is equal to 8, d is equal to 5, and a sub 8 is equal to 35. Those are our given. Now, let's erase this. I'll show you two process procedure so that you have an option which to use later on. So, it's about arithmetic sequence. Our formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. All we have to do is to substitute. A sub n is 35. Is equal to a sub 1 is unknown plus your n is 8. 7 times your d is 5. It is very simple. Now we have here 35 is equal to a sub 1 plus 7 times 5, that's 35. Okay, and we are solving for a sub 1. To isolate it, we have plus 35 here. So the best way to do this is to transpose this to the other side so that it's only a sub 1 that will be left on that side. So this will become a sub 1 is equal to 35 minus 35. The answer is 0. Did you get it? So, thumbs up if you got the process. SS then. Very good. Okay. To those who did not get the correct answer, PM me privately through this chat box if you already got the correct process. Okay? I'll wait for your PM as I prepare for your next try this activity. Mag-SS kayo na. Screenshot. Let's have this next one. Okay, very good. So let's have this. Find the by the way, nakalimutan ko yung sinabi kong another process kanina. Sorry, I forgot. I told you a while ago I will present two process to solve that. Sorry, I forgot. A sub 1 is unknown. B is equal to 5. A sub n is 35. And n is equal to 8. Tama? So, A sub 1 is unknown. A sub 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our 8th term is 35. Tama? 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, 7, 8. Our common difference is 5. If it's going to the right, it's plus 5. If from the right going to the left, the reverse of 5, that's minus 5. Okay? So from 35, mag-minus kang 5. 35 minus 5, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. And that's your first step. Got it? So, you can do the formula or you can just do the manual thing. And sometimes it's easier to do it manually than doing the strict process of mathematics. Okay? Remember, always remember, what I teach you is not the only way to solve the problem. If you can find the better way to solve the problem, it's okay with me. Mas gusto ko pa nga kung makakagawa kayo ng sarili ninyong process para mas mapadali ang solusyon ninyo. Okay? But I'm just presenting you some of the ways you can solve. You can have more if you want. Okay? Kasama natin. At mas ma-appreciate ko pa kung tuturuan niyo ko ng another simpler way to solve it. Okay? Because I like learning with my learners. Let's have this. Ready? Last example for arithmetic sequence before we move on to arithmetic series. Ready na? Ready? Let's try this. What is the Hindi naglag yung computer ko. Hindi naglag. Nag-iisip lang ako. Wala na naglag yan. Aling naglag. Inisip kong dito. What is the 12th term if A sub 1 is 6 and D, the common difference is 7. Go. Chat me privately your answer if you have it already. Sa chat box lang po ha, hindi sa messenger. I'll wait for your answers. I have now answers here. Ken, try again. Meg, got it. John Lee, got it. Kapag try again, try lang ng try. Never stop trying hanggang sa makuha yung tamang sagot. Kasi kapag nagkakamali tayo sa math, doon tayo mas gumagaling. Alexa got it. Princess got it. Maisy got it. Maisy, buli kayo mag-send sagot. Kompleto talaga. A sub 12 is equal to 83. Carl got it. Charles got it. Abigail also got it. We're getting better. rest. Dumami na. Let's have Isaiah got it. Kendall, sumobra. Try again. Jasper got it. Gabriel got it. Marian got it. Nawala the Wi-Fi ni Jarek. Chelsea got it. Chanel got it. Elmo got it. Sophia got it. Very good. So you're getting the process now. Pauline also got it. Very good. Oh, yun, finally. Kent got it. Okay na? That's it. Oops, Shane. Try again. Try again. Ayun, Kendall got it. It's okay. Okay, Donna got it. It's okay to commit mistakes. Just continue trying until you get it correctly. Linnea, sumobra. Try again. I'm showing the solution on the board while the rest are still solving. Is the correct answer. Thumbs up if you got it correctly. Very good. Okay. So, let's have this one. Oh, paki-SS na to those who are copying the process. SS na, SS. Okay, thank you. Let's now move on with arithmetic series. Actually, this is just very simple. Okay. Arithmetic bullet. Series. And we all know that when we say series, ito yung nag-a-add tayo. Okay? Now, we have two formulas to use. We have here A sa A. Hindi pala sa A. If it's already series, it's not anymore A, but it's already what letter is used for the series?
S.
S, exactly. S, para siyang sigma. In the Greek letter, S. Sigma is also the Greek letter. Okay? So S sub n is equal to n over 2 times A sub 1 plus A sub n. If, I'll explain them later. The other formula is S sub n. The longer one is equal to n over 2 times 2 times A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. Oh, ang haba nun. Now, I guess this is the concern of some of your classmates because they don't know when to use this and when to use this. And sometimes they mix up arithmetic sequence with arithmetic series. Okay, now take note of this. Take note of this. Take note. You will use this formula if you have your n, if you have your first term, and you have your last term. This is the formula. Got it? This is the formula that you will use if your n is here, your first term is here, and your common difference is here. While A sub n, your last term is not here. Kapag wala yung last term, this is what you will use. But if your first term and last terms are here, then you can use this formula. Okay? Please SS. Ready na? Paki-SS. And let's have some examples. Ready? Sample? Aha. May kwento ako. Ito totoong nangyari. Dati daw, paano ba nabuo itong equation na to? How did this start? Actually, this started some time, long time ago, which I cannot remember anymore the time. At sobrang tagal na. One time daw, may isang teacher na tinatamad. Math teacher for the grade 1 learners. Tapos, ang sabi niya, wala siyang tinatamad siyang magturo. Napapakita ko yung sarili ko para makita niyo ako nagkukwento. Ayan. Meron daw teacher na tinatamad. Dahil tinatamad siya, ang sabi niya sa mga estudyante niya, okay children, mga grade 1 pa lang. Okay children, for our activity today, I will give you 1 hour. To add all the numbers from 1 to 100. So inisip ng teacher, medyo matatagalin yung mga bata kasi 1 plus 2, tapos plus 3, plus 4, hanggang sa 100. Enough time na yun para sa akin, para makalabas, makapagliwaliw ng konti, kasi tinatamad nga yung teacher. And then, bago pa siya lumabas ng classroom, Lalo, when they miss siya, laliwanag mo na ako. Bago pa siya lumabas ng classroom, biglang may isang estudyante ang nagsabi, Ma'am, tapos na po, may sagot na po ako. Sige nga, what's the answer? Sabi ng teacher, mabatrip, hindi pa siya nakakapagliwaliw, may sagot na yung bata. Ma'am, it's 5,050 po. To the surprise of the teacher, nagulat siya. Then the teacher got her calculator and started counting adding from 1 to 100. And took her around 20 minutes before she finished hanggang 100. To her surprise, that's 5,050. And that's the answer of the child. And who is that child? That child is our classmate. Her name is Carl. No, hindi naman si Carl na classmate natin. But it's a mathematician named Carl Goss. True to life story yun, hindi naman gawa-gawa. Carl Goss, try to search this in the internet and you will get to know his story. At dito nagsimula yun. And what did she do? What did Carl Goss do? Ginawa niya, dahil meron siyang mental idea, ginawa niya, inalign niya yung mga numbers, 1, 2, 3, hanggang 50. Hinati niya. And then, binaliktad niya, 100, 99, 98, hanggang 51. Gets po? From 1 to 50, tapos kalahati, another kalahati, 51 to 100. Okay? And then, inad niya bawat pair. 1 plus 100, that's 101. 2 plus 99, that's 101. 3 plus 98, that's 101. Hanggang 50 plus 51, that's 101. How many 101 are those? Those are from 1 to 50. So, 101 times 50. The answer is 101 times 50 is 0, 5, 0, 5, 5,050. And that concept is what we call the arithmetic series. We simply need to add the first term, that's 1, and the last term, that's 100, and then multiply by the half of the number of terms. That's 100 divided by 2, that's 50. Kaya nga 101, yung sum nila, times 50, that's 5,050. That's the concept of arithmetic series. Is that clear? Again, try to search it later. Carl Goss. This is a mathematician na nagsimula yung pagka-mathematician niya as early as childhood. Okay? Try to search for him. You will see that story. True to life yun, hindi naman gawa-gawa. Okay? Let's have this example. Ready? Find S sub 20 if A sub 1 is 2 and A sub 20 is 40. Go. PM me your answer when you're finished. So, bakit? Linnea got it. Marian got it. Janly got it. Gabriel got it. Edibiel kulang. Got, ay, hindi ba? Ayun, finally, she got it. Nalito lang ng 5 siguro si Edibiel. Sobra, Ken? Yeah, try lang ang try. Kulang, Jasper? Kulang, Alexa? Remember the process. S sub n is equal to n over 2 times A sub 1 plus A sub n. Elmo got it. Sophia got it. Alexa got it. Kent sobra. Na hindi siya minus, plus siya. Okay? So, let's show it. Ready? S sub 20 is missing. S sub 20 is unknown. Ay, ito. Unknown. A sub 1 is 2. A sub 20 is 40. This is our formula. Simple lang. So, S sub 20 is equal to, that's our n is 20 kasi that's our last term. So, that's 20 over 2. And then, times A sub 1 is 2 plus 40. The answer is 10 times 2 plus 40, that's 42. When you multiply them both, that becomes 420. Okay? Thumbs up if you got the process. Okay, very good. Let's have this like example. Yung long formula naman tayo, long formula, the long formula doesn't have a kwento, don't worry. So, S sub n is equal to n over 2, same, multiply by 2 times A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d close. This is the long formula given the common difference. So, A sub 1, for example, A sub 1 is 2 and our common difference is 1. Find S sub 30. Go, solve. PM me your answer when you're done. Nalilito daw yung classmate ninyo sa A sub n at saka sa n. Okay, this is the formula. So, nalilito sa A sub n at sa n. Ito, yung n, number of terms. Yung A sub n, ito yung last term. And usually, yung n, malalaman mo sa last term mo kung ilan sila. Okay? Don't get confused between the two. So, here are the answers. Marian got it. Janvi, try again. Ediviel, try again. Linnea, try again. Meg, try again. Maze, try again. Chelsea got it. Kyla got it. Carl, try again. Gabriel got it. Sobra Shane. Okay. With that, let's have this example. Okay, everybody listen. Ready? This is our formula. Okay. So, S sub n is 30. Is equal to our n. Tawag mali ito. Our n is also 30. Kasi that's the last term. Times 2 times at our first term is 2. Plus n minus 1, your n is 30 minus 1 times your common difference is 1. Okay, let's simplify this further. S sub 30 is equal to 30 divided by 2, that's 15. Times 2 times 2, that's 4. Plus 30 minus 1, that's 29. Times 1, that's 29. Plus 20, 29. 4 plus 29 is 33. And 33 times 15, the answer is 495. So, that is your S sub 30. That's 495. Okay? SS please. Okay, SS. Ready? That's it. Okay? You just have to practice it. Ready? We have 3 minutes left. And we cannot afford anymore another Zoom meeting kasi mapapagalitan na tayo sa next teacher ninyo. Kailangan nyo pang mga. Okay? Let's just have the arithmetic mean. Mabilis na lang to. Ready? Paki-SS na. SS. Ready? Okay, thank you. Don't worry, this Zoom meeting is recorded, so we can always review it, go back again later on. Arithmetic mean is very easy. Arithmetic mean, simple lang to. This is just what you call as the average. Ready? The average. For example, meron tayong the first term is 5 and the third term is 15. The number at the middle is what we call the average or the arithmetic mean. This is just simple. Add the two. 5 plus 15. 5 plus 15, that is 20. And divided by 2, that's the average. The answer here is 10. So we have 5, 10, 15. That's the arithmetic mean. Got it? One more. Ready? Again, this is just the average. We have, for example, we have 10, comma, blank, comma, 40. What's our arithmetic mean? We simply add them. 10 plus 40, that's 50. Get the average divided by 2. The answer here is 25. That's our arithmetic mean. Got it? Next. What if it's not anymore arithmetic mean, but arithmetic means? So, pag arithmetic means, for example, we have 5 blank blank 20. Okay? Makinig. Mabilis lang to. Simple lang. Technique na lang. Shortcut technique. Ready? Kung kanina nag-a-add tayo, ready? This time, ready? Ready? Mag-minus tayo. 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5. 15. Got it? And then count the number of movements. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Divided by 3. The answer here is 5. That becomes your common difference. Okay? And then just add them. 5 plus 5, that's 10. 10 plus 5, that's 15. That's our arithmetic series. So, anytime the video will end, take note of the process, subtract, minus, and divided by the number of movements per term. That is our common difference. Okay? Take note of the process. Quiz na or practice pa?
Practice.
Okay, sige.
Practice pa.
I will just be posting our activity in our Facebook group. And anytime when you're ready,